لا 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 لا. أتعلم أنا أتعلم. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. إحنا في المدرسة طلاب نتعلم ويا الأصحاب، نفتح للمستقبل باب، نحيي في الوطن التجديد. أتعلم أنا أتعلم حتى أفيد وأستفيد، وأعرف لما أتكلم إنه كلامي صح ومفيد. ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا لا ليلى لا ليلى لا ليلى لا.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello my students, this is Mr. Muhammad Hamdi from Yasmin Elementary Section, and this is our new lesson for grade 3, Unit 11, World Festivals, Lesson 6, Pupils Book pages 114 and 115, Workbook pages 106 and 107. And this is a link for all if you want to play and enjoy our lesson, inshallah. Our lesson today is about listening and phonics. Listening and phonics. Please open your students' books, page 114 and 115. This is listening. Number 1. Do you remember the story of Androcles and the lion? Do you remember the story of Androcles and the lion? Listen and point. Listen carefully, please.
Pupils Book, Unit 11, page 114. Activities 1, 2 and 3. Androcles was in the forest. He came to a stream. He was very tired and thirsty. "I must drink some water," he said. Androcles heard a noise. Grrr, grrr. What was it? Was it a lion? Yes, it was a lion. The huge animal walked towards Androcles. He was very scared. But the lion did not jump on Androcles. It sat down and held out its paw. Androcles saw a big thorn in the lion's paw. "I can help you, Mr. Lion," said Androcles. "Stay still." And he pulled the thorn out of the lion's paw. The lion looked at Androcles. Androcles looked at the lion. The lion stood up and slowly walked away.
We are going now to listen again and write the letters. You want to write the letters of the pictures, okay? Listen again.
Pupils Book, Unit 11, page 114. Activities 1, 2 and 3. Androcles was in the forest. He came to a stream. He was very tired and thirsty. "I must drink some water," he said. Androcles heard a noise. Grrr, grrr. What was it? Was it a lion? Yes, it was a lion. The huge animal walked towards Androcles. He was very scared. But the lion did not jump on Androcles. It sat down and held out its paw. Androcles saw a big thorn in the lion's paw. "I can help you, Mr. Lion," said Androcles. "Stay still." And he pulled the thorn out of the lion's paw. The lion looked at Androcles. Androcles looked at the lion. The lion stood up and slowly walked away into the forest.
Let's answer it together. Number 1. E, write down here E. picture E. This is picture E, number 1. Number 2, C. This is number 2. Write down here C. 3, F. This is picture F. Write down here F. 4, D. This is picture D. Write down here D. 5, A. This is picture A. Write down here A. 6, the last one, B. This is picture B. Write down here B. Number 3. Complete the sentences. Number 1. Androcles stopped by a, try to think, by a stream because he was tired and thirsty. Androcles stopped by a stream because he was tired and thirsty. Number 2. A lion walked towards Androcles. Try to think. A huge lion walked towards Androcles. He was very scared. He was very scared. Number 3. Androcles pulled a out of the lion's. Try to think. Androcles pulled a thorn out of the lion's bow. Androcles pulled a thorn out of the lion's bow. Write down the answers and check your answers, please. Now, here is our new phonics. Look and listen. Listen carefully, please.
Pupils Book, Unit 11, page 114. Activities 1, 2, and 3. Androcles was in the forest. He came to a stream. He was very tired and thirsty.
Listen again and
I
check.
must drink some water, he said. Androcles heard a noise. Grrr, grrr. What was it? Was it a lion? Yes, it was a lion. The huge animal walked towards Androcles. He was very scared. But the lion did not jump on Androcles. It sat down and held out its paw. Androcles saw a big thorn in the lion's paw. I can help you, Mr. Lion, said Androcles. Stay still. And he pulled the thorn out of the lion's paw. The lion looked at Androcles. Androcles looked at the lion. The lion stood up and slowly walked away into the forest.
Now, phonics now. Look and listen.
Pupils Book, Unit 11, page 114. Phonics. Look and listen. Or. Morning. Or. Morning. Good morning, it's time for sports. Please put on your shorts, it's our morning for sports.
Listen again, please.
Pupils Book, Unit 11, page 114. Phonics. Look and listen. Or. Morning. Or. Morning. Good morning, it's time for sports. He's put on your shorts. It's our morning for sports.
Now, this is class composition. Number 1. Read what happened next to Androcles and the lion. Write what Androcles says. The soldiers took Androcles and the lion to the emperor. Why did you run away from your master? Hold your pencils please and write down. Number 1. I ran away because he was not kind. Where did he go? I went to the forest. What happened? I was thirsty. I stopped next to a stream. Then I saw the lion. Did the lion jump on you? No, it didn't. What did the lion do? It held out its paw. What was wrong? There was a thorn in its paw. What did you do? I pulled out the thorn. Then the lion went away. My soldiers caught this lion yesterday. Is it the same lion? Yes, it is. The lion did not hurt you because you helped it in the forest. You are a kind man, Androcles. You can go free and the lion can go too. Thank you, Emperor. Let's do it again, please. Follow me carefully. Number 1, read what happened next to Androcles and the lion. Write what Androcles says. The soldiers took Androcles and the lion to the emperor. Why did you run away from your master? I ran away because he was not kind. Where did you go? I went to the forest. What happened? I was thirsty. I stopped next to a stream. Then I saw a lion. Did the lion jump on you? No, it didn't. What did the lion do? It held out its paw. What was wrong? There was a thorn in its paw. What did you do? I pulled out the thorn. Then the lion went away. My soldiers caught this lion yesterday. Is it the same lion? Yes, it is. The lion did not hurt you because you helped it in the forest. You are a kind man, Androcles. You can go free and the lion can go too. Thank you, Emperor. Please now open your workbooks. Page 106. Phonics. Remember, or morning. Number 1. Write or write the words, read the words. 4. Morning, morning. Thorn, thorn. Shorts, shorts. Sport, sport. Or. Number 2. Circle the words, write the words. I want you to circle the words yourself, and I'm going to help you in writing the words. Okay? Number 1, morning. Here is morning. You have to circle it here. Morning. Number 2, thorn. Here is thorn. Thorn. Circle it. Thorn. Number 3, or. Here is or. Or. Number 4, four. Here is four. Four. Number 5, sports. Here is sports. Sports. Number 6, shorts. Here is shorts. Shorts. Question number 3. Complete the sentences. Use words from exercise 1. Number 1. The lion had a thorn. The lion had a thorn in its paw. Number 2. Ben is wearing blue shorts. Ben is wearing blue shorts. Number 3. I've got a present for you. I've got a present for you. Number 4. Which sport do you like best? Which sport do you like best? Number 5. We can go to the mall or we can go to the beach. We can go to the mall or we can go to the beach. Page 107. Use of English. Read this. The fireworks were red, blue and green. This is called comma. This is called comma. Number 1. Look and read. Do you remember red, blue, pink, beans, chips, bees? We put a comma between each word in a list. This is called comma. Comma, comma, comma. I like red, blue and pink. Look at the word and. I like beans, chips and bees. In a sentence we write and before the last word in the list. There is no comma before and. No comma before and. Number 2. Read, circle the commas, underline and. Number 1. In the fruit shop there were oranges. This is a comma, circle it. Apples, another comma, circle it. Bananas, another comma, circle it. Melons and lemons. We underlined and, the word and. Number 2. In my bag there is a skirt, circle the comma. A dress, circle the comma. Shorts and a t-shirt, underline and. Number 3. Read the lists, write sentences. Number 1. I like pizza, fish, rice and tomatoes. Number 2. The second list. You must wear a t-shirt, shorts and trainers. And trainers. Number 3. The next list. I am going to buy a CD, a book, a hat and a bag. Number 4. Next list. On the beach we saw. On the beach we saw shells, crabs, starfish and a jellyfish. Write down the answers and check your answers. Then let's turn over page 108. Writing preparation. Read, think about the questions, write your answers. Androcles and the lion left the city. Now they are walking along the road. Androcles is thinking where he is going to go. Does Androcles choose the city or the forest? Why? Write 3 reasons. Androcles chooses the city because it is busy, beautiful, and interesting. Androcles is thinking about a house. He can build a house. What can he use? Choose 3 things. Androcles can use wood, bricks, and stone. Androcles is thinking, where can he build his house? Choose a place. Remember to use a preposition next to under or in. Androcles can build his house next to a stream. Next to a stream. Androcles is thinking about a garden. What vegetables can he grow in his garden? Choose 3. Androcles can grow carrots, peas, and beans in his garden. Turn over now, page 109, composition practice. Write what Androcles says. Use your notes on page 108 to help you. After a few minutes, the lion spoke. The emperor was very kind. Androcles was very surprised. Mr. Lion, you can speak? Yes, I can speak. Where are you going to go now, Androcles? I am going to go to the city. Why? I want to live in the city. Are you going to build a house? Yes. What are you going to use? I am going to use wood, bricks, and stones. It is going to be a very good house. Where are you going to build it? I'm going to build it next to a stream. Are you going to have a garden? Yes. What vegetables are you going to grow? Carrots, beans, and peas. It's going to be a very nice garden. Can I come and live in your house? Of course. Androcles built the house and the lion helped. They made a beautiful garden next to the house and they lived there very happily. Please turn over page 110. This is check-up 11. Number 1. Complete the sentences with there is some or there are some. Number 1. There are some birds on the wall. Number 2. There is some bread on the plate. Number 3. There is some juice in the jug. Number 4. There are some books on the table. Number 5. There is some water on the floor. Number 6. There are some pens on the desk. Question number 2. Complete the sentences with some or any. Number 1. There isn't any money in my pocket. Number 2. Have you got any sweets? Number 3. Ben bought some flowers for Grandma. Number 4. I can't see any boys. I can't see any boys in the playground. Number 5. There are some girls on the swings. Number 6. Can you see any cows in the field? Number 7. I'm going to take some photos. Number 8. The children haven't got any homework today. Number 9. Is there any milk in the bottle? Please turn over page 111. Look. Now read and find the mistakes. There are here many mistakes in this picture. Alfie has got a pencil case on his desk. There are some rulers in the case. This is the first mistake. Here's the case. There aren't here any rulers. He has got a bottle on his desk. There isn't any juice in the bottle. Here is some juice in the bottle, but there is some juice in the cup. The cup hasn't got any juice. There are some photos in the wall. The photos are on the desk, not on the wall. There is some paper on the desk. There isn't here any paper. But there isn't any paper in the bin. The paper is in the bin. There are some toys on the desk. There aren't any toys on the desk, but the toys are on the ground, on the floor. There aren't any trainers on the floor. Here are some trainers on the floor. Write the number of mistakes. They are 8. 8 mistakes. Number 4. Write about Alfie's desk. Alfie has a pencil case on his desk. There are some pencils in the case. He has got a bottle on his desk. There is some juice in the bottle. But there isn't any juice in the cup. There are some photos on the desk. There isn't any paper on the desk. There aren't any toys on the desk, and there are some trainers next to the desk. Please write down the answers and then check your answers. Now look at your worksheets, please. You have here to write down or in the missing parts here, and write the capital letters: O, Omar, Arabic; A, O and A, capital; T, capital T; S for Saudi Arabia, capital S and capital A. Here is missing letters here. This is spring. I have to write down here P. Number 2, U, summer. And this is copy question. Please let spaces. Do not forget to let spaces. This is the end for our lesson. Please contact me if you want anything. Send me messages in the school web. Thank you. See you later. Goodbye.